Hi, good morning, guys. In the previous class, we have discussed about first chapter of history, that is an advent of Europeans to India. Now, in this class, we are going to discuss about first chapter of geography, that is India, position and extent. Unit number one, geography. Unit number one, India, position and extent. In this chapter, we are going to discuss about location of India in Asia and in the world, and extent and frontiers of India. It means which are the neighboring countries of India and its boundaries. Next, about neighboring countries of India. Okay, geographic division of Karnataka, climatic seasons of Karnataka, soils of Karnataka, and rivers of Karnataka, and transportation system, etc. You have studied. Same in this year, you are going to study about India, its physiographic divisions or physiographic divisions of India or physical features of India. Next, climatic seasons of India. Next, soils of India, rivers of India, and transportation system, population, everything you will study in this year. So now let us discuss about this first chapter, India, position and extent. Means location of India and its position, everything we will study. Already you know, geographically, India locates within the both the northern hemisphere and eastern hemisphere. In the world map, where India locates within the northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere, both the northern hemisphere and eastern hemisphere. Geographically, India locates within both northern hemisphere, northern hemisphere and eastern hemisphere. Geographically, India locates within both the northern hemisphere and eastern hemisphere. In the world map, totally in the world, India geographically it locates within the both the northern hemisphere and eastern hemisphere. In between that, northern hemisphere and eastern hemisphere, geographically India locates. Next, the mainland of India extended from 8.4 degree to 37 degree, 37.6 degree north latitude, and from 68.7 degree to 97.25. It extends from 8.4 to 36.7, 37.6 from north to from north latitude to 68.72 68.72 97.25 97.25 to the eastern latitude. India, geographically, India extended from 8.4 to 37.6 degree from north latitude to 68.7 degree to 97.25 degree to the eastern latitude. North latitude to India extended from 8.4 degree to 37.6 degree from north latitude to 68.7 degree to 97.25 degree to the eastern latitude. Geographically, it extended. Next, the Andaman and Nicobar Islands extended further southward and add to the India's latitudinal extent. India extended up to Andaman and Nicobar Islands, not only to this Indira Point, from Kashmir to Kanyakumari. Generally, we can say from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, our India extended. But Indira Col to Indira Point. Indira Col to Indira Point. Indira Col locates in Kashmir in Ladakh region. From that point to Indira Point. The Indira Point locates in the Great Nicobar Islands. Where is Indira Point? Indira Point locates in the Great Nicobar Island. Up to there, Indira Col to Indira Point, our India extended geographically. See here Indira Col is at the tip of India in Ladakh region. From this point to up to here, Indira Point is here in the Great Nicobar Island. From this Indira Col to Indira Point, geographically India extended. Okay. Indira Col to Indira Point, our India extended. Where is this Indira Point? In the Great Nicobar Island. It is very important. Where India, southernmost tip of India. Question may be arises like this. Where is the southernmost tip of India? Southernmost tip of India locates in the Great Nicobar Island. Where is the northernmost point of India? Northernmost point of India locates in the Indira. That is, the Indira Col is the northernmost point of India, and this Indira Point is the southernmost tip of India. It locates in the Great Nicobar Island. In the Great Nicobar Island. Next, the northern tip of India is Indira Col. Jammu and Kashmir. Now only I told you this northernmost point Indira Cone locates in the Jammu and Kashmir, especially in Kashmir. Okay, in the Ladakh region it locates. That is the northernmost point of India. Southernmost point Indira Point that occurs in the Great Nicobar Island. Next, the Tropic of Cancer, 23.5 degree eastern longitude, which passes through middle of India or the central meridian of India. So once again, here, Tropic of Cancer line, which passes from the middle of India, 23.5 degree eastern longitude. 23.5 degree. This 23.5 degree northern latitude, 23.5 degree northern latitude, 23.5 degree northern latitude, which passes through center of India. Center, that is the central meridian of India. It means here from middle point. See this Tropic of Cancer line, which passes through middle of India from this point to this. It extends Tropic of Cancer line. That is the central meridian of India. Question maybe comes like this, which is the central meridian of India, 23.5 degree northern latitude. Next, IST, Indian Standard Time. Indian Standard Time is depending on this 23.5 degree northern latitude. Okay, IST stands for Indian Standard Time, which is depending on this 23.5 degree northern latitude. Next, about its extent. Already you know, India is the seventh largest country in the world. First point, it is the seventh largest country in the world. India is the seventh largest country in the world. In geographically, India is the seventh largest country in the world. Then, which are the top five largest countries in the world? It means which is the first largest country in the world, second largest country in the world, third, fourth, fifth, like that. Geographically, I am saying here. Geographically, which is the largest country in the world, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one, like that. First, geographically, Russia is the largest country. These are the five top largest countries in the world. Geographically, largest countries in the world. First one, Russia. Second one, Canada. third one China, fourth one America or USA, fifth one Australia. These are the five largest countries in the world. Geographically largest countries in the world. First one, Russia. Russia is the largest country in the world. Geographically, it is the largest country in the world. It has huge land. Next, Canada, second largest country. Third largest country, China. Next, USA. Fifth one, Australia. Like that, our India is the seventh largest country in the world. Next, total geographical area of India from northern point to southern part. Indira Port to Indira Point, including Andaman Nicobar Islands, everything. The total geographical area of India is the total geographical area of India is 32 lakh 87,214 square kilometers. The total geographical area of India is 32 lakh 87,263 square kilometers. 263 square kilometers. The total geographical area of India is 32 lakh 87,263 square kilometers. It is the total geographical area of India, including Andaman and Nicobar Islands. 32 lakh 87,263 square kilometers. Very important. The total geographical area of India from the total geographical area of India is 32 lakh 87,263 from Indira Point to Indira Point. It means from northernmost point or northernmost tip to southernmost tip, that is Indira Point. Okay, northernmost tip Indira Cone, southernmost tip Indira Point. From that point to this point, the total geographical area of India is 32 lakh 87,263 square kilometers. Next, from east to west and north to south. Before that, in the world geography, how much area is covered by our India? Only 2.42%. 2.42%. In the world geography, our India covered only 2.42%. Okay. Next, east to west. East to west, 2999, sorry, 2933 kilometers east to west. Next, 2933 kilometers. Next, north to south, 3214 kilometers. 3214 kilometers. That is from north to south. See, once again, east to west. East to west means here from this point to this spot. Here located, this line is there. From this point, east to west, east to west. Okay, that is 2933 kilometers. 2933 kilometers east to west. The distance between east to west. Next, the distance between east north to south, that is 3214 kilometers from Kashmir to Kanyakumari. Here, Indirapur, Kanyakumari. That is 3214 kilometers. Okay, is it clear? The distance between east to west, 2933 kilometers. Next, the distance between north to south, that is 3214 kilometers. Next, frontiers of India. Next, frontiers of India. It means neighboring countries of India, borders of India. Totally, India has three important frontiers or borderlines. First one, the Latitudinal borderline. Latitude. Borderline. Second one, the Durand line. Third one, McMahon line. The these are the three important frontiers of India. First one, the Radcliffe line, Radcliffe borderline, which lies in between India and Pakistan. Already you know this Radcliffe borderline. Radcliffe borderline exists in between India and Pakistan. Why this name came to this land, Radcliffe borderland? Because marked this borderline in between India and Pakistan. Britain Parliament sent to fix a borderline in between India and Pakistan. So that's why Radcliffe Browning. Radcliffe Browning. This person, Radcliffe Browning, marked the borderline between India and Pakistan. So that's why his name only put to this line, Radcliffe borderline. Next, Durand line. Next, Durand line. This borderline lies in between India and Afghanistan. Durand line lies in between India and Afghanistan. Next, the McMahon borderline, which lies in between India and China. And these are the important three important frontiers of India. Once again, see Radcliffe borderline, which lies in between India and Pakistan. It's very important. Totally, these all three are very important. Okay, in between India and Pakistan, which borderline exists? Maybe question comes like this. For that, you should answer. That is Radcliffe borderline. In between India and Pakistan, Radcliffe borderline exists. Or in between Radcliffe borderline lies in between India and Pakistan. Next, in between India and Afghanistan, the Durand line lies, or the Durand lies in between India and Afghanistan. Next, last one, the McMahon borderline, which lies in between India and China. These are the three important frontiers of India. Very, very important. From these three, anyone comes for final exam. And some other parts are there here. The land frontier of India is the total land frontier. Land frontier, that is 15,200 kilometers. Next, including Andaman and Nicobar Islands, the total or the mainland of India has water frontiers about 6,100 kilometers. That is land frontier, that is 15,200 kilometers. Next, water frontier, that is 6,100 kilometers. Next, last, the total length of India's coastal line, including Andaman and Nicobar Islands, and as well islands as well as Lakshadweep, is the total length of India's coastal line, including Andaman, Nicobar Islands as well as Lakshadweep, that is 7,516.5 kilometers. 7,516.6 kilometers. 7,516.6 kilometers. It is the total length of India's coastal line. Okay, the total length of India's coastal line, including Andaman Nicobar Islands as well as Lakshadweep. Okay, that is 7,500.5 kilometers. It's very important. The total length of land frontier of India, the total length of land frontier of India, that is 15,200 kilometers. Only land frontier. Next, water frontiers, that is 6,100 kilometers. 6,100 kilometers. India has water frontier. It's clear? 6,100 kilometers. India has its water frontier. Next, the total length of India, including Andaman, Nicobar Islands as well as Lakshadweep, that is 7,516.6 kilometers. The total length of India, including Andaman, Nicobar Islands as well as Lakshadweep, that is 7,516.6 kilometers. Is it clear? The total land frontier of India, that is 15,200 kilometers. Water frontier 6,100 kilometers. The total length of India, including Andaman, Nicobar Islands as well as Lakshadweep, that is 7,516.6 kilometers. 7,516.6 kilometers. Now, next, now only I told you neighboring countries of India. Neighboring countries of India. First one, Pakistan. Second one, Nepal. Afghanistan. Fourth one, China. Fifth one, Bangladesh. Sixth one, Bhutan. These are the seven neighboring countries of India. Now only I told you Pakistan, Nepal, Afghanistan, China, Bangladesh, Bhutan, Myanmar. These are the seven neighboring countries of India. Is it clear? Pakistan, neighboring countries of India. First Pakistan, Nepal, Afghanistan, China, Bangladesh, Bhutan, and Myanmar. These are the neighboring countries of India. It's very important for 2 marks. Many times it came. Which are the neighboring countries of India? See, these are the seven neighboring countries. Already you know Pakistan, Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Nepal, China, Bhutan, Myanmar. Southeast is Sri Lanka, which is separated from the mainland of India by Pak Strait of Mannar. To the south side, Sri Lanka is there. The mainland of Sri Lanka is separated from Pak Strait. and Gulf of Mannar. It means in between India and Sri Lanka, which strait is there? That is Pak Strait and Gulf of Mannar. The mainland of India is separated from Sri Lanka, that is Pak Strait and Gulf of Mannar. Next, already you know, last point that administrative divisions. India is a democratic country. Already you know very well about this. India is a democratic country. Here we have different languages, different cultures, food system, etc. Okay, so that's why India is divided into 28 states at present. Okay, 28 states and 9 union territories. So India has at present it has recently Kashmir. To the Kashmir it has been given to the union territories place. So that's why at present India has 28 states and 9 union territories. But in order, 29 states and 7 union territories has been given. But recently to the Kashmir union territories place has been given. So that's why at present India has 28 states and 9 union territories. And already you know Delhi is the capital city of India, and Telangana is the newly formed state. In 2014, Telangana has been formed. Okay, which is the new state of India. Question maybe came like this means you should answer Telangana. In 2014, Telangana has been formed, and in our India, geographically, which is the largest state? Question maybe comes like this. For that, you know answer. That is Rajasthan. Geographically, Rajasthan is the largest state, and Goa is the smallest state. Okay, which is the highest populated state in India. That is Uttar Pradesh. It has a 19.9 crores according to 2011 census. Okay, Uttar Pradesh has highest population in India. It has 19.9 crores. Here, Rajasthan is the largest state. Goa is the smallest state. Next, Uttar Pradesh has highest population. Sikkim has lowest population. Okay. At present, India has 20. Once again, see. At present, India has 28 states, 9 union territories. In the 28 states, Rajasthan is the largest state. Goa is the smallest state. Uttar Pradesh has highest population, that is 19.9 crores. According to 2011 census, it has 19.9 crores, and Sikkim is the Sikkim has a least population. Okay. In next class, we will with this total this first chapter of the geography also completed. In next class, we will discuss about next topic.